Hello everyone! Today I'm gonna show how you can make smoked turkey roulade with spinach and dried tomatoes at home and how you can use it in fine dining recipe. So let's do it! I have here around 1 kilo of turkey breast, so I will cut it and open it a little bit and then smash it with the pot so it's get thinner and flatter. And then I will make my filling. So I chop a few onions and garlic first. And then start sweating my onions on the pan with vegetable oil. Also chop some dried tomatoes, which will go inside the pot as well. But first I put my garlic in and in few minutes the tomatoes. Roast everything for few minutes and the last thing is coming in spinach. I season it with salt and pepper and my filling is ready. I also season the meat and then I put my filling on the top. And now is coming the most difficult part, to roll it nicely. Close it on the sides and I'm gonna tie it with Bacchus twine. I'm gonna season it with salt and pepper even outside. And the last step is to vacuum seal it. And I'm gonna cook it 62 degrees Celsius for 3 hours. Next thing I will start with my carrot puree. So I peel some carrots and then chop them roughly to same sizes. Then I make kind of mold with tin foil and I put my carrots in. Put splash of white wine, season it with salt, fennel seeds and fresh thyme. And then close it with another tin foil. And I'm gonna bake it around 200 degrees Celsius until the carrots will be soft. For my garnish, I will make lentils with carrots. So first, I will slice one carrot on mandolin and then cut nice small dices. After that, I put my lentils to cook just with water, and in meantime, I pick some carrot tops, clean them and chop them nicely. When the lentils will be soft, I put my carrots in and cook everything for a few more minutes. Then pass it through the chinois, season it with salt, pepper and mustard, and I leave it on the side for later. At this time, our carrots baked enough, so I take them out of the oven and chop them into the smaller pieces. Move them inside the blender, put a little bit of heavy cream and blend it properly. And delicious carrot puree is done. And now it's time to finish the meat. So I will open the bag and take out the butcher's wine first. And then I pan fry it on vegetable oil until I get nice color around. In the meantime, I reheat my lentils and puree so they are ready for the plating as well. And the last step is to leave the meat to rest, and at the same time I will smoke it. On the same pan, I will do easy mustard sauce. So I start with white wine, reduce it down, and then is coming juice from the meat and some chicken stock. Reduce it down, and last is coming mustard and butter in. I also finish my lentils with chopped carrot tops. Season the sauce with salt and pepper, and the sauce is ready for plating. The meat was resting for around 5 minutes, and now let's do my portions. So what do you think, guys? Do you like it? Let me know in the comments. And at this time, I have everything ready, so let's do the plating. I start with carrot puree with white wine and thyme. Then are coming my lentils with mustard and carrots. A nice portion of turkey roulade with spinach and dried tomatoes on the top. Few more carrot tops. And finish it with mustard sauce. And that's it, guys. If you enjoyed this recipe, give a thumbs up. If you would like to learn more about fine dining cooking, check out the links in the description down below. Thank you for watching, and I see you soon.